How do you debias AI models for ethical fairness? Imagine you're teaching a robot how to make decisions, but what if it learns unfair habits from the data it sees? That's where debiasing artificial intelligence models becomes so important. It's all about making sure these systems treat everyone fairly. To do this, we first need to understand what bias in AI really means. Bias is when the system makes unfair errors, often because of the data it was trained on or how the algorithms are built. For example, if a hiring AI learns from past data that favors certain groups, it might unfairly reject others. Legal rules play a big role here too. The European Union has the Artificial Intelligence Act, and the United States has guidelines from the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. These laws requiring AI systems, especially those used in high-stakes areas like jobs or healthcare, to be checked for bias. They also demand transparency so people can see how decisions are made. There are several ways to reduce bias in AI. One common method is data preprocessing. This means cleaning the data to remove unfair patterns before training the model. For example, balancing data so that all groups are equally represented. During training, developers can use fairness metrics to measure bias. These include checking if the AI treats different groups equally or if predictions are consistent across populations. If biases are found, adjustments can be made through algorithmic tweaks, like adding fairness constraints or regularization techniques that penalize unfair outcomes. Post-processing is another step. After the AI makes a decision, its outputs can be adjusted to improve fairness. For example, recalibrating predictions so that different groups get similar results. It's also important to regularly test AI systems with fairness metrics like demographic parity, which checks if different groups are treated equally, or equalized odds, which ensures similar error rates across groups. Legal compliance is essential. Companies need to do impact assessments and document how they are addressing bias. This helps ensure the AI systems are fair and transparent. In real-world applications, debiasing is used in hiring tools, loan approval systems, and healthcare diagnostics. For instance, an AI helping with job applications must avoid discrimination based on race, gender, or age. Despite these efforts, challenges remain. Sometimes, fixing bias in one area can unintentionally cause issues elsewhere. For example, balancing data might reduce bias for one group but harm another. It's important to consider the context and the potential impacts of each method. In the end, debiasing AI models is a key part of ethical AI implementation. It's about making sure these systems serve everyone fairly and uphold the principles of justice and equality. By combining legal guidelines, technical techniques, and ongoing testing, we can build AI that is both powerful and fair.